Instead of daydreaming about something else, bring your awareness to what are you doing with your hands. Cleaning is a super important part of Zen practice. We do it every day, but it doesn't have to be, only in the monastery. We all can practice cleaning wherever we are, in our homes or our businesses. But how do we get started with setting up a cleaning practice? The first thing to do is kind of take all the difficulties out of it. Take all of the decision making out of it, whether you're going to do it or when you're going to do it, how you're going to do it. Decide, make it a routine. So maybe every morning, after you wake up, after you brush your teeth, then transition into, however, 10 minutes, 15 minutes of cleaning. Where are you going to do the cleaning? In what order are you going to do the cleaning? Iron out, all these details so that when it's time to clean, you can just show up and do it. You don't have to use any unnecessary precious calories that you need for the rest of your day or mental mind power. You can just show up and do the cleaning. Another great way to do this too is to have a place for everything. They use this in kitchens all the time. I'm going to butcher the pronunciation of this, but mise en place, everything in its place, right? So where are your cleaning tools? Where do they go? Always put them back where they belong. Where are the things that you're cleaning? Whether it's, knickknacks on your counter or however the setup is in your living room, so that when you move things, you put it back and you know what the order is. Another thing that might not be as easy for you at your home, but in Zen temples, we make everything really easy to clean. It's set up so that we don't have to move too many things around. Anything that has legs has tall legs, so we can fit a broom underneath there and sweep. So can you reorganize your space to make it easy and efficient to clean? So this is, taking out all of the blocks and difficulties, mental or physical, that would stop us from cleaning. And this deciding when and where to do it also, so we don't have to make that unnecessary decision every time you want to start your cleaning. And don't be ambitious if you're just getting started, Start with just a minute or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and slowly get that going, get this habit going so that your body remembers. It knows, okay, that's the drill. Today, at this time, I clean. And then you can add on more and more as you go along. But the thing is, we want to make it as easy as possible without any kind of roadblocks getting in our way, so that you can just show up and let the cleaning happen. And also, approach it as a meditation. So a chance to not just clean like, oh, I have to clean, but can you bring your awareness to when you are cleaning? And cleaning is so good for this because you don't really have to think about it so much, especially once you get your routine down. You can just show up and wash the dishes, or just show up and vacuum your room, sweeping the dust. It doesn't take any thought. You can do it almost automatically. So when you're doing that in autopilot, instead of daydreaming about something else, bring your awareness to what are you doing with your hands. How do you glide along the mantelpiece? How are you doing the vacuuming? Really look kind of deeply at that and concentrate on your breath, on your body, on your movement, on these physical actions. It's really wonderful for bringing you back into right here, right now. So I hope those little techniques help you get a cleaning routine started. Thank you everyone for all your support for these videos. I really appreciate all the comments that I've been receiving and interactions I've been having with people. If you find value in these videos, I would really appreciate it if you can like and subscribe and maybe share with people who you think would value or enjoy these videos. And if you're using the YouTube app, there is a hype option, a hype button you can press. So if a video really speaks to you and you think others can benefit from it, please press that hype button and that will share it with a wider audience. Again, thank you all for your support. I really, truly appreciate it.